Hey, welcome back to Lehitro Bank. My name is Adam. Today we're going to settle a question that do you actually need the most powerful flagship AI tools to make serious money, or can mid-range AI tools earn you just as much or even more? I've used both. I've tested both. And the answer is not what most people expect. Most people assume more powerful AI means more money. Bigger models, more features, higher pricing. Sounds logical. But when you look at how money is actually made with AI in the real world, especially in the US market, the story changes. Let me explain this in the simplest way possible. Flagship AI tools are things like the most advanced versions of large language models, enterprise-level automation platforms, or high-end AI systems designed for research teams and large companies. These tools are insanely powerful. They can analyze huge data sets, handle complex logic, and do things that mid-range tools cannot. But power alone does not equal income. Mid-range AI tools are the ones most people already have access to. Tools used for writing, chatbots, content creation, basic automation, lead generation, and workflow optimization. These are cheaper, easier to learn, and most importantly, they solve problems that businesses already pay for every month. Now here's where money comes in. When I first started monetizing AI, I made the mistake of chasing flagship tools. I thought if I learned the most advanced systems, money would automatically follow. What actually happened was the opposite. The learning curve was steep, setup took time, and clients didn't want to pay extra just because the AI was more powerful behind the scenes. They only cared about results. Then I shifted my focus to mid-range AI tools. And this is where income became predictable. Mid-range AI earns more money from most people because it matches real business needs. Small and medium businesses do not want complex systems. They want faster replies, more leads, better content, and less manual work. Mid-range AI tools deliver that without friction. Here's the key difference. Flagship AI shines when you're selling to large companies with big budgets and long sales cycles. Mid-range AI shines when you're selling speed, simplicity, and outcomes. When I use mid-range AI to build chatbots, automate emails, generate content, or help businesses with lead generation, I could charge immediately. Clients understood the value instantly. They didn't ask what model I used. They asked how fast it works and how soon they see results. Flagship AI usually earns more only when you already have leverage. That means an audience, enterprise clients, a strong technical background, or a company selling high-ticket solutions. If you are an individual creator, freelancer, or solopreneur, flagship AI often slows you down instead of speeding you up. Another important thing is cost versus return. Mid-range AI tools cost less to run. That means your profit margins are higher. You can charge client a few hundred or a few $1,000s while paying very little in tools. With flagship AI, costs go up quickly and profits shrink unless you're charging enterprise-level pricing. There is also the speed factor. Mid-range AI lets you move fast. You can test offers, sign clients, deliver results, and adjust quickly. Speed matters more than perfection in making money. Flagship AI is powerful but slower to deploy in real business situations. Now, does this mean flagship AI is useless for making money? No, it means it is situational. Flagship AI earns more money when you're building products, platforms, or large-scale systems. Things like SaaS products, advanced analytics tools, or enterprise automation solutions. These can earn a lot, but they take time, teams, and patience. Mid-range AI earns money now. It fits freelancing, services, consulting, and creator-based income. That's why most people who actually make consistent AI income are using mid-range tools, not the most advanced ones. So if you are watching this and asking yourself which one you should focus on, here's the honest answer. If your goal is to start earning money with AI in the next 30 to 60 days, mid-range AI is the smarter choice. If your goal is to build a long-term tech company and you are ready for complexity, flagship AI makes sense later. Money does not come from how advanced your AI is. Money comes from how clearly you solve a problem people already pay for. If you want, I can make the next video showing exactly which mid-range AI tools are easiest to monetize right now in the US market. Or I can break down real examples of people using Flagship AI and how long it actually took them to earn. Tell me in the comments what you want next, and I'll make that video for you. If this video helped you think clearly about AI and income, subscribe to the channel. I'm posting practical AI money content that focuses on real results, not hype. Like the video so it reaches more people, and comment below which side you are on, mid-range AI or Flagship AI. I'll see you in the next one.